Guys, Julian here. Welcome back to another video. It's the same day as the other video. I just ended the other one. We're getting into a new project now. So today we are gonna be installing these they call it shadow lights. Today we're gonna be installing the welcoming lights under the two doors here on my 335, and it's gonna show the BMW logo under it. So all you're gonna need for this project, and it's really easy, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and now I'll show you guys what to do right under the car. So we get under the car here, doors open. This is the stock OEM yellow looking welcoming lights. They're, in my opinion, they're really ugly. They're orange, so it definitely needed a change in my books. So very simply, you could see from this angle actually that there's like a little indentation. Where is it? That there's a little indentation, like a squarish looking here. What we're gonna do actually is put in the flathead here on the indentation and literally push it inwards, and now you take the old the stock light out. Then once this is out, you can easily just pull it off, put that aside, and then we're gonna go to take out our lights here. Now one thing to keep in mind is that this kit comes with this adapter. This adapter is very important. As you can see, this part needs to go in there like that, and this part is what actually goes into the car, and it goes in like so, and right away it shows like a BMW on my hand. Now adjust it so that you see BMW facing the front of the car, like the name, like the letters BMW. You want them to be facing that way, so just adjust it like this. Put in the longer part first in the corner, push it up and push it in, and you're done that install. Now we're gonna go do it on the other side. Alright guys, so this concludes this install. I hope you liked it. It's a cool little thing that you can do to your car. It adds that extra oomph of something, and it's fun. It's fun to do. It didn't cost much. I'm gonna open up an affiliate page with Amazon. I'm gonna drop the link down below that you guys could just click it. You'll go straight to the product, no hassles, nothing, and you'll get the exact same product that I have installed on my car right here. Obviously it works. I'm going to be showing you guys some footage at night. But overall, I'm really happy with how the car's coming out. One thing I really need is I need to do a polish and a wax and a popper detail. And I think I'm going to be doing that with another YouTuber. So stay tuned for that. We might do a collab video. So yeah, that's it for today. Stay tuned for a lot of stuff coming up with this car, and stay tuned for some stuff that are coming in the engine. We're talking about power here. So if you're interested, definitely subscribe to the channel, guys, because you won't be disappointed. As I said, there's a lot of stuff coming to this car. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching in. Like the video. If you have any questions at all ever, I'm always first to answer everything. So obviously, comment any questions you have. I'll be happy to help. As always guys, drive what drives you, and I will catch you in the next one.